All right, so I'm going to show you how we can create a Hello World Go application. So I'm going to jump right into our IDE. Actually, I'm using the IntelliJ IDE, as you can see. So I have this folder here called YouTube tutorials. And inside this Hello World folder, I'm going to create a new Go file, which I'm going to call main, then hit enter. I can cancel this. So with every Go application, there's three parts to it, okay? The first part is the package name, and then the func, and then the main. And the third part is the import, okay? So I can do an import like this, and then use the formatter package or library. And then inside the main function, I can say fmt.println, and then pass in my Hello World Go. Okay, so that is all to it. So we've written our first application in Golang. Okay, so if I want to run this, I either click on this green button right here, or I can below my IDE, I'm inside this Hello World folder, so I can look at the tree structure. So you can see my main.go file is in here. So I can run this Golang application by doing by typing go run, either go run main.go, and then I hit enter. So you can see the output is here. Or I can do go run and then a dot, meaning whatever is inside this current directory or folder. So as you can see, we got our Hello World Go as an output. And also, we can also build this Golang application, okay? So we can do go build, just like that. And then if I run that, you don't see anything. But if we do ls, you can see now we have an executable here in red, Hello World. So if I want to run this application, so as you can also see from the folder, we have the Hello World executable there. So if I want to run this, all I have to do is /Hello World, just like that. So if I hit enter on my keyboard, you can see now we have the output Hello World Go. And also, we can also do, let me remove the Hello World executable. We can also do go install, just like that. Then if I run that and then I do ll, you don't see anything except the main.go. But once I do once I do Hello World and then run it, you see, here's the output again. So these are all the possible ways you can run your Go application from the terminal or inside your IDE. So in my next video, I'm going to show you more about a run and go application, how to package it, variables, function, a lot more. So see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.